Let's start with the new chapter, that is halogen derivative. Okay, in that the chapter is divided into two parts, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, in haloalkanes, halogen group is attached with the alkyl group. This can be alkyl, okay, alkenyl or alkynyl. Next, in haloarene, halogen group attached with the aryl group. Aryl group means nothing but arenes or aromatic. Okay, halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. If we talk about the reactivity order about halogens, then fluorine is most reactive than chlorine, chlorine is reactive than bromine, and bromine is reactive than iodine. These are the reactivity orders of halogen. Okay, now definition. Compounds derived from hydrocarbons. What is meant by hydrocarbons? The compounds which is made up of only carbon and hydrogen. One or more hydrogen atoms by corresponding number of halogen atoms are known as derivatives of halogen. Let's talk about methane. Methane is having 4 hydrogen. If we replace any hydrogen among these 4 with the halogen group, then this is nothing but haloalkane. Okay. If more hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then also it is included in the derivatives of halogen. Now, let's discuss classification. First classification is based on the number of halogen atom present. This is a separate classification about haloalkanes and haloarenes. Mono means what? 1. If one halogen atom is present, whether the number of carbon is 1, 2, 3 or 4. This classification is based on what number of halogen atom. If halogen atom is 1, it is monohaloalkane because mono means 1. If halogen atom is 2, this is dihaloalkanes. If halogen atom is 3, this is trihaloalkanes. Generally more than 2 are included in what? More than 2 halogen are included in polyhalogens. Poly means what? Many. Similarly in this haloarenes, if halogen is attached with the aromatic ring, if one halogen atom is attached, then it is monohaloarene. For 2 halogens, there is a possibility of this 3 structure: ortho, meta and para. Okay, this is the basic structures. With the basic structure, you have to mention one example each. Means what? For monohaloalkane, you can write CH3Cl. This is a basic structure. While you are writing X, X is a symbol. Instead of X, if you are mentioned chlorine, fluorine, bromine or iodine, okay, similarly. For haloarene, you can give example like this: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, anything. Now, trihaloarenes, 1, 2 and 4 position, 1, 3, 5 position, 2, 4, 6 position, anyone. Okay? So, if 3 halogen atom is present with the aromatic ring, then it is known as what? Trihaloarenes, otherwise you can include in polyhaloarenes. Next is alkyl halides. Just now we have discussed halogen derivatives of alkane. Alkenyl halides, these are the halogen derivatives of alkene. Alkynyl, halogen derivatives of alkyne. And aryl halide means halogen derivatives of arenes, halogens. Let's discuss second classification. First classification is based on number of halogen atom present. Now next classification is halogen attached with the carbon having sp3 hybridization. Listen, halogen attached with the carbon. If with this carbon all are single bond, then only we can say that this carbon is sp3 hybridized. So these we can represent in a different category. This classification is again divided into two types, haloalkane and benzylic halide. Okay, in that first, halogen attached with the carbon, you can see all are single bond. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now, if this carbon is attached with all hydrogen, then also this is primary alkyl halide. And if this carbon, which is sp3 hybridized, if this carbon attached with one alkyl group, then also this is considered in a primary alkyl halide. And if this halogen attached with the carbon, definitely this is sp3 is attached to two different alkyl group, then it is secondary alkyl halide. If halogen attached to carbon is attached with the three different alkyl group or three same alkyl group, if attached with the three alkyl group, then it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. Similarly, this is also in the category of sp3 hybridized carbon, but this is a next category, that is benzylic halide. Halogen attached with the carbon, definitely all are single bond. So this is sp3 hybridized carbon. If this sp3 hybridized carbon attached with the benzene ring, okay, then this is a primary benzylic halide. If this halogen attached with the carbon should be sp3 hybridized, one alkyl group and one aromatic ring is there, then it is a secondary benzylic halide. Similarly, if halogen attached with whether these are alkyl or aromatic, both are possible. So this is tertiary benzylic halide. The third category in this is if halogen attached with the carbon having sp3 hybridized carbon, and these sp3 hybridized carbon attached with the ethylenic double bond, C double bond C. I have mentioned one example also. Even for all this you have to write one example each. Okay. For example, for this you can write chlorine, carbon, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3 you can write. This is our longest possible carbon chain. Okay, and with second carbon you have a chlorine group and second carbon you have a methyl. So 2-chloro, 2-methyl butane. Similarly, you have to give one example each. For X, you can write fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. And for R group, you can mention alkyl, alkenyl, alkynyl group. Okay. Now the third part is halogen attached with the carbon having hybridization sp2. This is divided into two parts. Vinylic. Listen, you will get a confusion in allylic and a vinylic. In anylic, halogen attached with the carbon is sp3 hybridized, whereas in vinylic, halogen attached with the carbon is sp2 hybridized and halogen attached directly with the ethylenic double bond. Okay, and here this carbon is in contact with the ethylenic double bond. These are the major difference between these two. We can give one example each for the CH2 double bond, CH single bond. For X, now we are mentioning bromine. Now in comparison to bromine, double bond is having higher priority. So just give one number to this. So we can write 2-bromo-ethene. 2-bromo-ethene. Okay. Next category is what? Aryl. Aryl means aromatic arenes. Now instead of this X, you just see this halogen attached with the carbon. This is the carbon. With this carbon, this is the double bond attached. So definitely this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Okay. Now you can write chlorine, bromine, fluorine instead of this X, and you can give one example. This is nothing but fluorobenzene. Hope you like this video and understand. Okay, if any query in the classification of haloalkanes and haloarine, please let me know.